It's too difficult for me to do step by step, so I'm just gonna show y'all those ones that have like this. Those are the ones that go right there, as you can see. Then these small ones are for the little legs. T's are in the middle, S's are on the corners. That's what it looks like. Okay, so you turn it on the side, you put letter H in there and also letter J in there. Now, we're gonna go ahead and be putting the other pieces inside there. Put your nubs in there, 4 of them. Okay, put them right there, and the other two is gonna go right there, and the other ones are gonna go on right there, and also right there. This is extremely difficult. The instructions, they don't give you what it's supposed to be, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so now it's in there. That's the back. Alright, so you put these hooks in. I'm gonna go with those little screws right there. As you can see, he's doing right there. You do it on all 3 drawers, then you put the drawers right there. They'll match up to the holes right there. It's on the bottom, and there's 2 on the top. It will be on the left drawers. That won't be suicide on the right drawer. Okay. So 4 screws. 4 screws. Be with the big ones. Oh. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so in order to get these drawers aligned, you gotta adjust these screws right here, which is extremely annoying, but after a while you will get it to work. It's gonna stay shut just like that. Same with over here. By the time it gets shut, it should be flush and level. Just like that, soft close. Okay, so final step is to put your security latch on here, and then also on the wall. But that's what it looks like. That's how to do it. Let's go.